Okay, making a blurred flash
Yeah, with rack defocus.
with rack defocus.
So I just want to section up a part of the timeline. So on a blank line up the top, I'll put in a cut point, and I don't know, 10 frames later, another cut point, which gives me a section of timeline that I'm going to put my flash into, about roughly 10 frames long. If I mark it up, how long is it? It's 20 frames. Oh, there you go. Go into to your effects palette, and down in Sapphire, Blur and Sharpen, you've got Rack Defocus. And grab that and drag it onto your section that you just made, and you get a whole big blur right across everything, which we're going to keyframe. So now if we go into effects mode, in your effects palette here, you can add some keyframes, and that'll give you your a blur that blurs out, glows, and then fades back down again. So we want to just want to do 3 keyframes. It's pretty fast. So in the yellow part at the top of the screen, if you right click, you've got the option to add start and end keyframes. And if you do that, you get a keyframe top and tail. And then if you right click again with your cursor in the middle, it says add keyframe. So you just want to add another one in the middle. So you've got 3 keyframes, all the same, all just with the stock standard blur that comes up with the effect. And we're just going to adjust each one of those. So if you go to the first keyframe, can you see that?
Yep.
We want to take the defocus down, say to 0, which looks like that. Go to the last keyframe and do the same thing. So take the defocus width down to 0, and everybody becomes unfocused. So now with your 3 keyframes, you've got the first and last keyframes with 0, without any defocus on them, and the middle one is still, we left it defocused. So if we step through the effect, this is what happens. It starts out unfocused. It starts out focused. It goes up to defocused, and then on the cut comes back down to unfocused. And that's basically the effect we want. We just want to ramp it up a bit. So on this middle keyframe, we'll might adjust the defocus width a bit so that it gets more blurred. Then down here we'll go to brightness, and we'll bump up the brightness, say, something like that. And maybe on the offset darks, we might just bring the darkness down a bit just to make the brights stand out a bit. So that's all on the middle keyframe. And if we step through the effect, this is what happens. So that's it.